Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating repeating questions in XLSForm for use with KoBoToolbox is a great way to collect multiple entries of the same type of data without creating separate questions for each entry. This is often done using a group with a repeat. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create repeating questions using XLSForm, along with a code example. Step-by-step tutorial on creating repeating questions in XLSForm. 1. Understanding the structure. A repeat group allows you to ask the same set of questions multiple times. Each instance of the repeat can capture data separately. 2. Setting up your XLSForm. You will typically have 3 main sheets in an XLSForm: survey, choices, and settings. For repeating questions, you'll primarily work in the survey sheet. 3. Basic structure. Survey, this is where you define your questions. Choices, this is where you define the answer choices if you have multiple choice questions. Settings, this is where you define metadata about your survey, example title, version. Example code for repeating questions. Here's an example of an XLSForm that includes repeating questions. The scenario is to collect information about multiple household members. 1. Survey sheet. Type name label. Begin _group household members. Repeat member information. Text member_name. What is the member's name? Integer member_age. What is the member's age? Select _1 member_gender. What is the member's gender? Repeat. Group. 2. Choices sheet. List _name label. Member_gender male. Member_gender female. 3. Settings sheet. Form_title form_ID version. Household survey household_survey v1. Explanation of the code. Begin _group. This starts a group called household_members, which is a container for all questions related to household members. Repeat. The repeat type indicates that you want to repeat the set of questions defined within it. The name member is used as a reference to this repeat group. Text, integer, select _1, these are the types of questions within the repeat group. Text collects the name of the member, integer collects the age, and select _1 provides a choice of gender. Repeat, this indicates the end of the repeat questions. Group, this closes the group for household members. How to upload and test your form. 1. Convert XLSForm to XML. Use an online XLSForm converter to convert your XLSForm to XML. 2. Upload to KoBoToolbox. Go to your KoBoToolbox account, create a new project, and upload the converted XML file. 3. Test the form. Once uploaded, you can test your form in the KoBoToolbox form builder or deploy it to start collecting data. Conclusion. By following this tutorial, you can effectively create a form with repeating questions using XLSForm for KoBoToolbox. This allows for efficient data collection for scenarios where you need multiple entries for the same type of information, such as household members or survey responses across different visits.